Sponges filter water. They eat tiny particles and microorganisms. By filtering water, sponges keep the water clean. They also provide shelter for small creatures. The sea cucumber is an elongated creature that lives on the reef bottom. It eats organic matter and sediment. As it eats, it churns up the sediment, mixing it and releasing nutrients. The shrimp is a small crustacean that plays an important role. Some shrimp clean fish, eating parasites and dead skin, from larger fish. The larger fish benefit by having parasites removed. The smaller fish and shrimp benefit by having a source of food. Some corals have special relationships with certain fish. The fish might defend the coral from predators. The coral might provide shelter for the fish. These relationships are mutualistic. Both partners benefit. The reef is a system in balance. If one species is removed, the effects ripple through the entire system. If the herbivorous fish disappear, algae overgrows the coral. If the coral dies, the fish lose habitat. If the fish disappear, the coral loses partners that help keep it clean. Coral reefs face many threats. Climate change is the most serious threat. Rising ocean temperatures cause coral bleaching. When water gets too warm, the zooxanthellae die. The coral turns white. If the water doesn't cool quickly, the coral dies. Coral bleaching has become more frequent and more severe. In 1998, a global bleaching event killed about 16% of the world's coral reefs. In 2010, another bleaching event occurred. In 2016, a major bleaching event killed coral in the Great Barrier Reef and other reefs around the world. Ocean acidification is another threat. The ocean absorbs carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. This makes the ocean more acidic. More acidic water makes it harder for coral to build its skeleton. If ocean acidification continues, coral will struggle to grow. Pollution is another threat. Runoff from land carries sediment and nutrients into the reef. The sediment covers the coral. The nutrients cause algae blooms. Algae overgrows the coral. Overfishing is another threat. When fish are removed from the reef, the ecosystem becomes unbalanced. Without herbivorous fish, algae overgrows the coral. Without predatory fish, prey fish become too numerous. Physical damage is another threat. Boat anchors damage coral. Careless swimmers trample coral. Coastal development destroys reefs. Disease is another threat. Coral diseases have become more common. A disease called white band disease kills coral. Another disease causes coral to turn yellow. Some reefs have been recovering. When fishing is banned, fish populations recover. When pollution is reduced, reefs become healthier. Some corals have shown resilience to climate change. But overall, coral reefs are in decline. About